But what kind of authority does the DOJ even have? Just how powerful is the Department of Justice? Well, the Department of Justice is the overseeing law enforcement agency for the federal government. It includes agencies like the Federal Bureau of Investigations, the Drug Enforcement Administration, and the U.S. Marshals, among others. The DOJ is headed by the Attorney General, who is kind of like the government's lawyer. He or she is expected to represent the United States in all legal matters and can even be called to testify to the Supreme Court on behalf of the U.S. government. The Attorney General also legally advises the President, makes sure that federal laws are upheld, and that the prison system keeps running. More than 116,000 people work for the Department of Justice, with nearly 10,000 attorneys and about 20,000 correctional officers. In recent years, their operating budget has been about $27 billion. Besides tackling crime and terrorism abroad, they allocate billions of dollars to monitoring and protecting the U.S.'s southern border with Mexico. Overall, the Department of Justice has a lot on its plate. They prosecute pretty much all federal crime, investigate potential violations, regulate dangerous and illegal trade, and run the federal prison system. All that on a relatively small government budget. But as one of the most influential agencies in the United States, their role in addressing inequality and abuse within local law enforcement could bring much-needed reform to what appears to be a very broken system.